cheap, simple, and easy chicken and rice crock pot meal. First of all, make sure you wash your hands. And then you're going to chop up your chicken into the desired size. You're going to want to grab your rice of choice, whether it's brown or white. I used brown rice. And I used 1 can of corn, a can of cream of mushroom, 2 cups of water, and then the seasonings of my choice, along with chicken bullion seasoning. And then I put it in the crock pot, stirred it up real good, and then stirred it occasionally in between and let it cook for about 3 hours, and that's all there was to it. Super simple, super delicious, super easy. And there you go.